Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Naruto, young Naruto. I realized that I have done a lot of Naruto drawings, but never just did normal standard young Naruto. So someone reminded me in the comments. Thanks for that. We're going to start with his eyes. So we're going to center point of my page is about here. So we just come up a little bit. It's probably, his nose will probably be in the center point maybe, or just like his nose might be a bit lower. That's about the center point of my page, I think, just there. The eyes are just over to the right hand side. So we go up, or the eye, the first eye is. We go up and over. So he's big, wide eyes when he's young. He's a young, wide-eyed, idealistic kid. And then this comes down like that. We add a little bit of a spike or a hook down here. And then you thicken up this eyelid line, so it's pretty thick black line. Like so, and then bottom eyelid comes across like that. So real big eyes. So the iris then just here, a full sort of big circle going the whole way around. So if you're not great at doing circles, I'm not that great. Freehand, you could use a compass or a coin or something just to try and get it as circular as you can. And then the pupil, so once you get the circle, the pupil just in the middle. Okay, so then the other eye, so our eye distance across, so the width of his eye will fit in between his two eyes, and that's where the next eye will start. So just here, so we got this distance, you can fit a whole eye inside here, right? And his next eye starts just there. Okay, so here to here, you can fit that whole thing inside. So then curve it up and over. And then we go down like so. Thicken this up. Got like a bit of a hook coming down the back here. Similar sort of shape to the other side. And then the bottom eyelid, just down here, you leave a bit of a gap, and then we go over to there. And then again, we're going to attempt to do a perfect circle for his eye. So not bad. Like so, and then a pupil in the middle. Okay, so his eyebrows, just like ticks right close to his eyelids. Goes up like so. It stops about there because it goes underneath his headband, right? So you have just a tick like that, and then the headband will go across the whole way across the top, right? Like that on both sides. We might as well do the headband now. So it comes all the way across top of his head like so. And then his nostrils just down here. Curve line like so, curve line here. And then his mouth. So he's got like big smiling mouth coming across here. So it like kind of looks closed at the minute, but we'll open it up just to show some teeth. So we go down the side, bring it across here, and up, just there. And then we can just see some teeth just in the side here. Comes across, got one sticking down, back up, and across. So you don't have to go the whole way across. You can just add a little suggestion of teeth, maybe something similar coming across in there, and then a shadow just there. Alright, so then his chin, just there. And then you can check the proportions. So middle of his eye to his nose is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here, it's about the same as here to here. Okay, and his bottom lip is halfway between the nose and the chin. So here to here, about the same as here to here. So once you get those proportions, then we can go up the side of his face. Like so. Stop just underneath the edge of his eye, because that's where we change direction. Okay, similar on this side, just underneath the edge of his eye. And then we're going to turn the corner and go up the side of his face. So we're going to go up like so. Up the side of his face. So in the picture I'm drawing from, this one doesn't go up as high for some reason. You can if you want. We might as well. We'll just keep it even. Keep it simpler. And then his sideburns just up here underneath his headband and beside his ear. Like so. And then those cheek marks. So like 1, 2, 3, and another 3 on this side. So 1, 2, 3. And then his ear comes down like so. Into there. Lines up with his nose, just here. The earlobe does. And the other side comes up and around. Into there. And then bones and ligament lines inside. So the easiest way is a letter J. But if you want to add more detail, you can. Lines like this. So again, easiest letter J. But of course, add more detail if you'd like so. So then the headband comes up the side like that. Kind of got a bumpy sort of edge because it's fabric wrapped around his head, and then it's going to come across the top like so. Then we got the metal plate in there, so it's just like a rectangle with curved edges. Okay, just like that, and then the metal comes across the top down to there, and that bottom part similar like so. And then we got the bolts on the edge, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the spiral for the leaf. So this is like embossed, it's like scratched in metal into the thing, and it's a double line, but I can't do double line with Sharpie. It just ends up bleeding together and becomes one mess, big line anyway. So you just do a spiral. I'll just do a single line, and if you want to do a double, you can. You just do spiral like this. And it has a tail and then a beak sticking off there. Now again, if you wanted, double that line up just to make it look like it's sticking out of metal. I'll just leave it like that. And then his hair. So classic Naruto, not complicated hair really, just like spiky. Like this. And they gradually kind of get bigger as we go up. Except this one, which is smaller. That's classic. Just as I say they're going to get bigger, there's a smaller one. Like so, and then one here in the middle. And then we go up, down, all the way around. Like this. Oops. And then his neck down here, 2 lines down, like so. And then we got some hair coming out from behind his neck, up into his jaw. Like so. And so he's got that woolly sort of collar going the whole way around. But it's got like a zipper in the middle. So it's got like 2 orange parts, a zipper, and then a white part going around. So we'll do the orange parts first. No, we'll do the zipper first because it's easier, straight down the center. So 2 lines down like so. And then we got the orange bump around here. Like so. Zipper then just in the middle there. And then we have this white bump that goes all the way around his neck, right? So it comes out from his hair here. So just this bumpy sort of thing here with a line down the side. It's like a big collar. And then the side like that. And then we join that down into here. So, and we got a layer just on top. Like that, and maybe some lines coming up like so. That. So then his shoulders comes down, not too wide because he's just a kid, so narrow enough. Shoulders down like that, and then the center orange part with the zip coming down the middle, and we got a blue section I think just here, and that comes across the other side as well. Armpit sort of lines there. And he's got that sort of pad on his shoulder with a spiral inside. So let's see if we can get this. So it's got like a scroll. Just here with a top on it. A top on this one. And then there's like a disc or a circle or something just here. Like that. I think that's got like a spiral inside it. Something like this. It's got more lines, but it's a bit complicated, so I'll just try and make it as easy as I can. Like so, and then strings coming down here. Like so. But I think that's everything. So I'd say the hardest part is probably going to be the eyes, getting them sort of circular. It's tricky to draw perfect circles. But yeah, there you go. How to draw young Naruto from Naruto. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.